Warm up with a Nordic coffee delight. Hey coffee lovers and winter night dreamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're traveling north, way north, to create a drink inspired by long winter nights, candlelit rooms, and the quiet magic of Scandinavia. This is the Nordic Winter Brew, a warm, gently spiced coffee that feels calm, comforting, and deeply cozy. Picture snow falling outside frosted windows, wool blankets draped over chairs, and the soft glow of candles lighting the room. Nordic winters are all about slowing down, finding warmth, and savoring simple pleasures, and this coffee captures that feeling perfectly. Ingredients: 1 cup strong brewed coffee, ½ cup milk or oat milk, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, pinch of ground cinnamon, tiny pinch of ground nutmeg, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional: splash of cream. Garnish: cinnamon stick or orange peel. Directions: start by gently warming the milk in a small saucepan over low heat. Add the cardamom, cinnamon, and nutmeg, stirring slowly as the spices infuse the milk. Let it warm for 2 to 3 minutes. You want it steaming and fragrant, not boiling. While the milk warms, brew your coffee strong and bold. Pour the hot coffee into your favorite mug, then add the spiced milk. Stir in the honey or maple syrup until fully dissolved, followed by the vanilla extract. For an extra luxurious finish, add a small splash of cream. Garnish with a cinnamon stick or a strip of orange peel for a subtle citrus warmth. The Nordic Winter Brew is perfect for quiet mornings, snowy evenings, journaling sessions, or peaceful storytime moments. It's smooth, lightly spiced, and comforting without being overpowering, a coffee meant to be sipped slowly. If this Nordic Winter Brew warmed your soul, give this video a like, subscribe for more cozy coffee rituals, and tell me in the comments, do you love spiced winter coffee or classic brews? Coffee Snowflake. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffeelover.